Hey, Andrew Riley here. All right, man. I know we talked on Skype just recently, and I know you're uh we're not doing coaching yet, but I was hoping as I was following all of your training, and I'm a complete newbie when it comes to this stuff. I was hoping you could correct my mistake as far as setting up these leaks with tracking. So here's what I did, um, and basically what I have here is this. So far, I have a link for Kohl's gift card offer. It's through Max Bounty Affiliate Network. Here's the offer stuff right here. So what I initially did is I set it up essentially following what you told me, but I'm thinking I missed something because the sub ID link works. It links fine to the offer, but it's when I use the BMob link, it doesn't show up at all. So here's essentially what I did. I was over here in my account, build tracking. I chose mobile, then raw link. Again, not sure if I did anything wrong there. Catch my mistake anywhere you want. I put in EM, then I essentially added the sub ID. I copied it from here. Obviously, that's going to read differently, but I'm not doing it now. I'm just walking you through how I did it. I took this link, brought it over to BMob, and then I did the new. And then I have over here, just going to walk you through real quick. Click on Edit. Now this is before adding Max Bounty as an affiliate template. This is before I did that, but I just did that trying to see if it would fix it. But I put that affiliate link right in here as you told me to, and then I erased EM and then put click ID, and then I put just the offer name up here and nothing else, and then I saved it and I copied the postback URL, brought it over here, brought it down here, and I changed that it was selected as no postback. I selected on URL, then I pasted the link here, click on save, and that's it. But problem is now is the offer is not showing up when I go to this link right here. And essentially all I'm asking is if you can just quickly correct my mistake and tell me what I did that was wrong, so I can get this link to show up properly. So this is the link. This is what the link was before I added the affiliate template. Then when I added the affiliate network template and I essentially updated that, it gave me this link instead of this one. I don't know why, but again, when I come up and I go to this link, yeah, right here, it shows this. And it does the same thing even when I choose this bottom one here. Or, I'm sorry, no, this one right here, the other one. And this is what it changed to when I added the affiliate Max Bounty the network template. So please just correct me real quick if you can tell me exactly what I did wrong and what I need to change. I would greatly appreciate it. I'm still trying to take your training and work with some emails and get some traffic around to them and get some conversions so I can get into you so I can start so I can get your coaching stuff going. So anyway, let me know. Thank you.